Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the 12-inch 4K rear view mirror camera from Roadwitness. A high-end mirror dash cam designed to transform your driving experience. This device combines cutting-edge video technology with smart safety features, giving drivers an all-in-one solution for front and rear monitoring. Starting with the cameras, the front unit delivers stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, equipped with dual Starvis sensors that capture twice the light of standard sensors. This means you get crystal clear footage even in low light or nighttime conditions. The rear camera records in 2.5K using a Super Germany sensor, ensuring that every detail is captured behind your vehicle. Both cameras feature advanced night vision and wide dynamic range technology, which balances exposure in challenging lighting conditions like sudden tunnels or bright backlights, ensuring every frame is crisp and detailed. The mirror itself is not just a screen, but a 12-inch ultra-bright IPS touchscreen with 1200 nits brightness. This ensures perfect visibility even under direct sunlight or facing oncoming headlights. The touch interface allows you to interact with the dash cam seamlessly, whether you're adjusting settings or reviewing footage on the go. Safety is another strong point of this device. The front camera is equipped with ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, providing voice alerts for lane departures, forward collisions, pedestrian collisions, and when the vehicle ahead starts moving. Meanwhile, the rear camera includes blind spot detection, alerting you to vehicles you may not see when changing lanes. This combination of front and rear safety alerts makes driving much more secure, especially in heavy traffic or unfamiliar areas. Parking is also made easier with a built-in parking assist feature. When reversing, the screen automatically displays the rear view along with parking guidelines, helping you maneuver accurately and safely. Additionally, the dashcam offers 24-hour parking monitoring with collision detection and time-lapse recording. And it has a battery protection system to prevent draining your car's battery during long parking periods. Connectivity is fast and convenient with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, enabling quick video transfers to your smartphone via the dedicated app. The device also comes with a 64 GB memory card, allowing extended recording without worrying about storage limitations. Installation is straightforward, with a full kit that includes the rear camera, extension cables, charger adapter, and all the necessary adhesive and electrostatic stickers to secure the mirror in place. The compact design ensures it blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior, maintaining both functionality and aesthetics. In summary, the Roadwitness 12-inch 4K rear view mirror camera is a feature-packed dash cam that combines high-resolution dual cameras, smart safety alerts, intuitive touch controls, and comprehensive parking assistance into one elegant device. It's ideal for drivers looking to enhance both safety and convenience, whether on city streets or long highways. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's monitoring system, this mirror dash cam is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.